This is a laser bore sight and scope level kit that CVLIFE sent over to me so that I can showcase for you. In this video, I'm going to give you a closer look at this kit, go over all the features and details so that you can decide if it's right for you or not. Without further delay, let's jump right into it. Starting off with the packaging, it comes in this hard case here. When you open it up, you're going to find some Allen keys and a user manual. One of the most valuable parts of the user manual is a guide for all of the different adapters so that you know which adapter goes with what caliber. The kit includes a laser bore sight, super easy to use. You got one button operation. This here is the green laser. You got a Type-C charging port there, Type-C charging cable, screwdriver, a bubble level for your turret, a bubble level for your Picatinny rail, 64 different adapters from 17 cal all the way up to 12 gauge, as well as a cone for your larger bore. Now let's get into actually how to use the kit. So you got two parts of installing a scope. You got to first level the scope, and then you got to get it zeroed. So the bubble levels here are going to help you with the scope installation part. So this here is going to go onto your Picatinny rail. This here is going to go onto your turret caps. Basically, this one here is designed for helping you to level your rifle. And then once your rifle is leveled, you're going to use this one here on top of your turret cap to level the scope to the rifle. Torque everything down, and then you're ready for your next step, which is getting a zero. So the bore sight are super easy to use. Basically, you have an adapter cone here. If you're zeroing a larger caliber like a 12 gauge or like a 450 Bushmaster, you're going to need to put this larger cone on here so that this here can center up in those larger bores. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to choose the adapter that's suitable for your caliber size, put that onto the tail. And I typically do this here with my hands. It's pretty easy to do, but they also give you the screwdriver here if you want to use it to attach your adapters. This is going to go down into your bore up to your muzzle here. So this here is going to center the tail in the bore, and this cone here is going to center up into the muzzle, which is going to give you a pretty accurate representation of where your point of impact is going to be. And so again, this here is the green laser. It's going to be very visible in the daylight. Basically, you're going to use that there to true up your reticle to the laser beam, and you're going to have a pretty good bore sight going on there. I've used this here a couple times on a couple different calibers, and I've always gotten zeroed within a couple of rounds because the bore sight is pretty good with these here. So guys, if you need help with getting your scopes leveled and then getting a good bore sight without going to the range and wasting a bunch of ammo, I can't recommend this kit highly enough. Hope this helps.